Christine G, and I'm going to be going over this problem. We have a linear inequality, and what we're going to do, let me go ahead, I'll start it from scratch. So we want to get our like terms together. So right now we have a negative 4y here, and we are going to add that on this side. And then what we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. We treat this just like we would solving an equation. So negative 4y plus 4y is just 0. 0 plus 4x is just 4x. I'm going to write it over here. Is greater than or equal to, all I did was 4x plus 0, because this is 0. It's greater than or equal to, and then negative 4x plus 4y, when I combine those, that's just 0. And so I'm just left with 8. Okay, but I want to find out, I want to isolate x. So here, the 4 is being multiplied by the x, so I do the opposite. So I divide both sides by 4. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times x is just x. And then x is greater than or equal to 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So the first thing that I want to do is get 2 points, but I'm going to look at, because it's going to be greater than or equal to, first I'm just going to look at the line x equals 2, because I know that it can be equal to it, and that is going to be a solid line for us. So here, if x equals 2, then x is always 2, no matter what value I put in for y, because x is always 2. So y could be negative 1, y could be 0, it could be 1, it could be 2, it will go on forever. So here I just named a number of points. So this is the value for x, this is the value for y. Because x does not change, y can change, but not the value of x. So let's go ahead and we'll graph 2 points. So this first point is correct, 2, 0. So let's graph that. That's right here. It's already on this graph. And then this point is not on the graph. So let's choose another one. So we did 2, 0. Let's do 2, 1. And that would be here. We could do other points, 2, 2, but it would just be a solid line because it's greater than or equal to, because of that equal to, there we go. So it would go up and down like that, and let's see, on forever. A line goes on forever. You can see these are the different y values, but x is always 2, because this is the value for x. It's always 2, but y can change. So now, in order to fully graph this, since it's the inequality x is greater than or equal to 2, what I can do is I can pick a point on either side and see if it works. So let's go ahead. This is an easy point to pick, and because it's the point 0, 0. So if x is 0, is 0 greater than or equal to 2? Well, no, it's not. So this is not going to work for our value, for our inequality. So let's pick a point over here.